We are your station for money, and Texas has one of the highest incidences of minimum wage workers and one of the largest uninsured and underinsured populations in the United States. This morning, we are speaking with Michael Botta, the co-founder of Sesame Care, which wants to help provide minimum wage workers in Houston with some accessible, low-cost, or maybe even no-cost health care. Good morning, Michael. Thank you so very much for joining us.
Good morning, Jose. Thanks for having me.
Okay, now why is it so important to provide people with accessible, affordable health care?
Sure. So at Sesame, I think we realized that the last year and a half has been incredibly difficult for millions of Americans, particularly when it comes to their health care. Lots of folks have maybe lost their health insurance. They may have skipped seeing the doctor. Maybe they skipped refilling a medication. And at Sesame, we think we can help. So Sesame is a healthcare superstore. We work with over 10,000 different medical practices across the country. And these are doctors who are not just offering high quality care, but also affordable health care. You can see a doctor for as little as $25, even if you don't have health insurance. And so, as you said, what we're doing is starting today in Houston for minimum wage workers, anybody who has a job that's making the minimum wage. If you're concerned, if you think maybe you need to catch up on your care, see a doctor, you can visit us at sesamecare.com/Texas and sign up for free care. We'll get you care entirely free for the next year, up to 4 visits with a doctor.
So how can you do this? I mean, you're talking about minimum wage workers just going to any doctor in our area and getting free care?
So anyone who's using sesamecare.com, any doctor on our website, whether in person, so in their office, or virtual care via telemedicine, will get you up to 4 visits for free if you sign up, as I mentioned.
Okay, how does someone apply or see whether they are eligible to be part of Sesame?
Sure, great question. So anybody can use Sesame. It's fully available at sesamecare.com. But for this offer in particular, the giveaway is for minimum wage workers. So if you work minimum wage, as I mentioned, you go to that website address, the sesamecare.com/Texas, and there's a form there. If you click the top banner that says get free healthcare, you can sign up, we'll confirm, and then we'll get you started for up to 4 free visits.
That's amazing. How can you do this?
I think we recognize that, especially in the Houston metro area, there are lots of underinsured Americans. And we want people to know generally that they can use Sesame to find affordable healthcare for anything they need. As I mentioned, this is a healthcare superstore for any kind of doctor you're looking for. But this particular offer, when we recognize we're in a position to help. Given how many folks are uninsured, we want to get the word out there. And it's not entirely unlimited. So once we get beyond the first 100 or so people, what we'll be providing is, at minimum, a discount on your care. But for at least the first 100 people that sign up, we can provide entirely free care up to 4 visits over the next year.
That is really amazing. And thank you so very much for doing what you do to help those who may not be able to get that health care. Michael Botta, co-founder of Sesame Care. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you.